Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to dive into Canva's text animation options, and I'm going to show you how to add, customize, and export text animations to make your design stand out. And once you're logged in, let's start by creating a new design. So you can choose any type you want. I'm going to click on social media. Let's do an Instagram post. So I'm going to click on text, and under my brand kit I already have a heading set up. I'm going to click on heading. And this may not be quite as bold as I'd like, so I'm going to type in Montserrat, which stands out a little bit more. But I want to change the color to something a little bit more vibrant than black. And you change the color by clicking on this A with a bar under it. I might go with red, that's a little more vibrant. And before I do that, I want to show you how to change regular text into all caps. So you click on the text, and if you go over here to these ellipses, under that you can see the uppercase and lowercase letters. Click on that and it automatically makes your text all caps. So I think that's a pretty cool option from Canva. Now let's talk about accessing the animation options for text. So if you haven't already, click on your text, and up at the top you're going to see Animate. Now if you don't see that on the bar, maybe it's because your menu bar is open. So click on the text and you see Animate at the top. Now here at the top you have page animations and text animations. After we've clicked on text animations, I'd like to choose just one of these and show you the basics of how to do it. So I'm going to click on Pan, and you see it's slid in from the left, and you can adjust this. So you can decide whether it comes in on enter or exit or both. Now on enter it means when you get on this page, it's going to come in when you click on this page. On exit means it's going to go out at the end of it. Both, it comes in and goes out. Now if you click on speed, you can see the crown. That means this is a pro option, and I will put a link to that in the comments. But you can slow down or speed up the animation on this. Of course, if it's slower, it's going to be a little more effective. You can see it better. If you slide to its fast, you may not be able to see it as well. Of course, you can control the direction. Now if you click on baseline, you're going to have more choices. You can decide whether it goes left or right, up or down. All right, let's look at some advanced text animation. Let's remove this animation. I'm going to scroll down to bounce. Here it is. Now here's what's really cool. You can decide whether each letter is animated or the whole word bounces. Let's look at pop. That makes it boing a little bit. Let's slow that down. Or one of my favorites, let's look at typewriter. And typewriter is another one that you can choose character or word. You know what? I am going to pick a typewriter font because that might be fun. Make it just type in like that. Now if you should happen to click off of this menu like that and you can't find animation again, see where it says the kind of animation you chose, just click on that and it will take you back to the menu. I'm going to click on my text and click create an animation, and then I can just make it go wherever I want. Let's try that. And if I click on 5 and the play button, there we go, we have a preview. Now where it says movement styles, I click on that and I can control how smooth or steady it is. So let's click smooth. And of course you can click the speed. Let's make it faster. Or steady. Let's rotate it or flicker it. You can just make it to whatever you want it to be. Make it your own. All right, let's just make a practical example. We'll make a social media post. I'm going to make a catchy headline and just use pop. So I'll click on text. Let's just use my general heading that I have set. And I'm going to put, today is great. We'll pretend today is great. So I'm going to click on that and go up to animate. All right, let's try pop. Slow it down a little bit. And this time I'm going to click page animations. Let's add more. So I'm going to go to elements and I'm just going to type in sun. Here's a cute one. I'm going to click on my entire graphic, and you can do this by just clicking and dragging over both, and that will select them both. Click on the animation they have on there. Make sure you're on page animations, and that's going to give you some automatic combinations that will animate your text and your graphic separately. For instance, if I click on party, it's going to give you a fun combination. And let me show you. If I click off of it, you see the text has a burst animation and the sun has a pop animation. It's just what Canva thinks will go well together. If I select them again and click on party, go back to page animations, Magic Animate will give you even more suggestions based on your design. And you just hover over those and see what Canva recommends. Now to export, when you think everything looks great, click on Share, and you can download it as an MP4 video or a GIF, or you can just click Share on Social and share it to your social media. I hope you received value from this video. If you did, please tell us how you want to use text animations in your next design. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.